Late-night tester fighting CAPTCHAs, weary eyes, defeated sigh. She lost hours to endless verification, deadlines closing in. Automation script stumbling, fragile as sleep-deprived hands typing. Then she found CAPTCHA interception, a quiet guardian. It stopped interruptions, restored focus, and protected her time. Integrates seamlessly with automation workflows, like a trusted partner. Testing moved faster. Bots ran through verifications effortlessly. Security tests became precise, uninterrupted, and deeply reliable. Manual verification reduced. Their evenings belonged to life again. She felt less alone. Her team breathed easier. Durable, consistent interception, no fragile hacks, just dependable help. If you build automation, let it protect your time. Streamlines testing, eliminates CAPTCHA interruptions, saves hours every week. Choose peace at work, reclaim small joys after tests. Try CAPTCHA interception today. Free trial, smarter, kinder automation.